Mbunge ya Meru nicokerete nyuma ya rutha rwa kaita ga KAWIRA bamukirite barua kuma ki bamwe baringi kura ba Meru bakienda kwebelwa kwa minista na maabitha bange kaunti ya Meru. Spika Yobundi na tumirite kunenkanira kuthikirwa kwa maromba ya barua ukie kamiti ira yatongirwa ni MC wa Kolotono Gachiri Muthuri. Kamiti ira ina memba ba kamiti ochunku na ritingwe nio leba na yotegera watho na kioto nio JLAC chirerio kinya ripoti yo mbere ya mbunge NDENE ya BIUMIA bieyete.
The petition from the public, Mr. Speaker, even before Mr. Speaker, sitting down, waiting for the
which the public have brought to this house.
I have committed this petition to the Joint Sector Committee on Labor, Public Service and Social Welfare and Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion, in accordance to our standing orders to deal with the petition and report back to the Honorable House within the next 40 days, pursuant to standing order numbers. So the joint sitting committee shall be chaired by the Honorable Gachiri, being the senior and honorable chair.
Nitumbite kwewa petition kana mararamishi jaraje umanitie na antu ba Meru antu nkurukia ngiri emwe barabara andikire petition yeu kana iromba reu rumba kujage county assembly ya Meru tumba kuda tugitegera ibombete kwethira bakiuga mantu jamwe jama ingi sana na boga thirikari ya Meru rimwe irire mwakwethira tuku perform kire expectations chao nontoboa aritinguge barabareku chief officers, the cabinet executives, barabario na kinya officer bangi barabombete kuda bagi petition yeu kwa unebore tiana giteo kinene muno bamwe ba bombe kudira bakeno kwanguge na bangi bedire bake substantive batie kuda bare acting
ni haki ya mwananchi na ni haki ya wananchi kuandika petition kulingana na article 37 ya constitution ya Kenya kuandika petition ndene assembly kuhusu gintu kionde ka untu bunde burabu ndaka kumenya kana burabu enda budhido so tukuona petition ne ekunenga kamiti chieto chio ijere so twakarandi petition yeruga iba kuromba twebe gitene mawaziri kadhaa, chief of staff, county secretary na bangi wote na eto wakarandi twe kamiti tutegere na tuchunkune.
The Speaker. Thank you.
Honorable Jennifer Maroche, Honorable James.